Auto Magic.
How's it going? This is Ben with Ben's Auto Magic. A lot of people call me Gold Touch. I don't know why, but I think after this segment, you're gonna know exactly why. We're gonna teach you how to blend, we're gonna throw paint around, we're gonna throw clear around, and we're just gonna have fun. So follow me, let's go have some fun. All right, so check this out. We have a big old dent here. I didn't want to bore you with just sanding, getting dust all over my face, doing all the runt work. We got this door we gotta blend. We have this door we gotta blend. We have this full back area we have to blend. Let's go over here. Right over here, the front end got smashed. So I just pretty much bought a brand new one from, and we're gonna go ahead and just paint that as well. He just wanted this area done right here. I asked him about these two dents right here and this little scrape. He said don't even bother with it. It brought back a lot of good memories. So pretty much when we get done with this, I want to zoom up on that. When we get done, you're gonna see no paint on this, and it's just gonna turn out perfect. So pretty much what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend a little bit of this section right here. We scuffed it all so I can put the base coat right over here, shoot clear over the whole panel. So let's get started, let's get suited up. Thanks. The most important things you need to do when you're blending. You need a paint gun, some reducer, the paint, the most important part.
Production.
I tell you, this is the coolest outfit ever. But dang, it is honest. I'm sweating. I just got done blending, but just to make sure I know I got a really good blend, because right now the water base gets a little bit blotchy just because the water has to evaporate. I'm gonna go ahead and cheat and make sure I got a good blend. So since we don't have really sun lighting right here, this is how I do it. I get this little light on. Hello. We got a good blend. That's it. Let's go look on this side. Anyways, so this is all that we painted right here. Let's come over here. We're all set up. This is how the blend turned out. It got too dark last night, so pretty much painted it last night. This is the next day, pulled off all the tape. And remember that little dent I was telling you guys about? A little scrape? There it is, two little dings. And you can just see how nice it really blends.
Ben's Auto Magic.